What's up, YouTube? Gonna toss up this short video troubleshooting this Purple Panda external mic with the GoPro5 and the GoPro5 session. I was having a hell of a time last night trying to figure it out, and this morning I finally did, and I felt like an idiot. And if this is the problem you're having too, you're gonna feel exactly how I did. So hopefully I can get this figured out for you. So I'm gonna start with the GoPro5. Pull the case. You're gonna pull the side door off right here. Just gonna a little bit of pressure, a little angle, and a little tweaking on the edges, and it'll pop right off. Session, you're gonna do the same. I'm not gonna use it, but I'm gonna show you what to do. Just pops right off. So GoPro side, Purple Panda. Empty this out. There's only a couple things you need. I'm not going to go over the whole list of everything that comes with it, but this we'll get the necessary stuff for this. You will need this GoPro mic adapter right here. It's like 50 bucks, I think. I didn't know you needed this when I first bought it, but I found out you did. So we can plug that in now, actually. This is, right into the side door where you charge your camera, just like that. What you're gonna need is this short 3 to 4 inch adapter cord and the mic. That's it. So you're gonna plug this into here. Then you plug this right into here. Now, the problem I was having when I would record and talk into the mic, it was just straight white noise. I tried other mic combinations. I was sitting here for hours trying to figure it out, researching and everything. The problem, you have the right combination right here. This is, don't go crazy. This is what you're supposed to have set up. But here's the solution. If you could see this, see how there's a gap? What you need to do is push this all the way in. A lot more effort than is needed, I feel. And it almost feels like you're going to break it, but this is what you have to do. And once I did this, turned the camera on and talked, I finally heard my voice in the GoPro video, and everything worked. So now I'm gonna take a video, show you how it works, and hopefully this is the problem you're having. You can try it out yourself. So turn the GoPro on. So start recording. Purple Panda GoPro test 1 2 3. Purple Panda GoPro test 1 2 3. I was just talking into the mic. All right, unplug this. Get out of that.
Purple Panda GoPro test 1 2 3. Purple Panda GoPro test 1 2 3.
So that was it. Hours of searching and sitting on the floor trying to configure all this wiring. And all it was is this piece was not all the way 100% in. So like I said, push it all the way in and it's going to go that little bit right there, and everything worked. So hopefully this solves your issues. I wish I would have found this video on YouTube last night and it would have been over with in a couple minutes. So again, hopefully this helps you guys and get you guys motovlogging. Peace out.